Hey guys, welcome back to the channel after a long time, around 1 year. So today we'll be using the morph transition and seeing how it works. So let's get started without wasting any time. So here we are in the PowerPoint. So I'll just uh, we I will just give a name to the presentation. Example, what should be? Or just for example, if we put hello. Now we open a new slide just like this and we change the layout from here to blank. Now we're first designing the layout of the slide. We'll apply the transition later. So we have to take this and we can just put it over from here to here and we'll just shift it towards this side. Now I press Ctrl and just duplicate it here, here, and here. Now let's position it a bit here. That's good. So now let's select every one of these and just make them a bit shorter so everything would fit in here. Now I'll shift everything here and done. Now I'll select this, move it here, select this, move it here, select this, move it here. And just expand this a little bit. Okay, this good. Now we can put the different colors in these boxes. So we go here, shape fill. We can give it black. This one we can give it a bit of gray. This one we can give it a bit more lighter color like this. And then the last one we can give it this. Okay, so I'll just make this into rectangles. The shape we chose didn't occur as expected, so here we are. Now we can go to shapes, then triangle, then we'll just zoom out a bit. We'll create a triangle over here. Wait, let's recreate this a bit more accurately by pressing shift. Okay, now we can rotate it. We can put it over here and I can control it and put it here. Then here. Now we can assign colors to it. First, we will just group them. So this, and then we press Control, then we select this, then right click, then group, and then we group it. Same with this group. We'll bring it to front, keep this at back, same here, and same with this. We'll bring it to front. Now we can color this with black, this with this, this with its color this, and we'll leave this one alone. Selecting the triangle, we have to remove its outline so it merges correctly here. No outline. Here again, no outline. So now these are merging perfectly. Now what you can do is we can select everything over here. Then now as the outlines are visible here of every box, we'll just select it, control A, and then we'll go to shape outline, no outline. Now everything's good. Now what we need to do is, what we have to do is we have to now take another new slide, or we have to just copy it. So for copying, we'll go here, copy, and again here right click, and then we'll paste. Sorry, some mistake. I'll copy it here and here and paste it. Here we have a new slide here. Now we are gonna select 3 of these and put them at the side here. That's good. And this shape we can just expand over here. So it will be something like this. Now we will take another slide just like that, and in here we will just drag this slide over here and the other two over there. Yeah, now everything's good. Now what we can do is we can stretch this slide here as we did to the other one. So I'll just zoom out a bit. I'll put it here. Just some from okay. Select this, put this here. Everything's good. Now we need to make another slide over here. Now this time what we'll do is we'll select these two and put them over here, somewhere here, so nothing gets here, and then we can put this here. Now what we have to do is we have to stretch it all the way a bit to here. Okay, now this is done, and we are gonna add another slide in which we are gonna select all 3 of them, move them to the side like this, and stretch this one out over here. On this slide we can now, for all of the slides we have to add the morph transition. So not for this, we are gonna do this. Wait a second. This, and this. We are gonna go to transitions and then to morph. So now let's preview it by doing the slideshow. I'm not confirmed either what will happen. So here we are, and you can see how smooth it is going. Now we go to the second slide over here like this, then to the third slide over here, and last slide to over here. Now as we can see that only this part looks good. This part. Let me show you again. This is the whole part, and this part looks cool. But when we go further apart, we don't see that part. So what we can do is we can just copy this slide we can just copy this slide over here, select here, we select here, then we can paste it here, then we can again paste this here, and again over here, and again over here. Now we select this, press Control, and then we select all of our slides that we need to put the morph transition on. So we need to put the morph transition over here. We go to transitions to morph. Now everything's good. Now let's test it again from beginning. We'll customize this page also. So we press enter. This comes, and after then when we go ahead, this our black our black box goes smoothly ahead, and then when we go further, it comes back to its place, telling us that telling us and specifying a particular part. Now we stretch it like this over here, then over here, and lastly over here. So now let's put some content in the slide. Just zoom in again. Let me set it to fit. Now let me keep it zoom to fit. Now okay. Now we're here. We can go to insert, add a text box over here, and place it like this. Now here we can press Ctrl A, and as this flag we will take that white the text. Now you can write your points over here. Example point 1. Then you can put here blah 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 anything. Example, this present this presentation is about using the morph transition. You can put it over like this. Now we can just expand the and like you can customize the size of this text according to you. I've put it like this. Now we can place it here. Now we can just copy this again, and then we can paste it. We select it, put it over here, and so on. Maybe we should just make the triangles a bit smaller. So we go here, then we just put it a bit like this, and then for the last one also we place it like this. So now this is also done. We just correcting the spelling here. Then example we put point 2, we can write anything. The example we are learning PowerPoint, and we can just put it in place. We again press Ctrl V to bring this here. Now put this here, point number 3. Point number 3. Now example you can write anything, blah 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 blah. You can write anything over here. Example, just for example, we type anything over here, any of your content. So example, we typed anything rubbish here. We put it over here, and then we again press Control V, put it over here. Point number 4. Now, as we'll save this later, as we have done this here, we need to go here again. In fact, we need to delete all these slides. At the first, you're just learning the method of doing it. As we have added some rubbish content over there, we can just cancel, right click it and delete slide. Now we have to copy it and paste it here in this slide. We'll select this and we will do the method we did before. So let's do it. Before completing our method, we also have to merge this text with the shape. So you can just select it, then press Ctrl, select this also, then right click, group, and then you have to press group. Now we'll do this for all of them and then we'll continue doing our method. Now as you can see, I have grouped them, but they go a bit behind, the triangles are not visible. So we can just right click it and bring to front. We got it in front. Then we can, for the second one, we don't have to bring it to the front, or else if we do bring to front, let's wait, bring to front, then the triangle for the black box won't be visible. So we bring this to front, this we go to the arrow and bring it forward, not to the front. So first we do it like this, then like this, and then we have to go to this and send to back. So here we are done, and now let's complete our method and complete this presentation. Now we'll copy this slide here, then paste it here, then zoom out a bit, then control this, then we bring all of them once again, we merge them here. Okay, so as you can see now, I've customized the slides a bit and then I have put all the method that we did over there, over here. Now what I'll do is, I just remove the hello slide from there, the title one. So now we have to add the morph transition from here to the last slide. So here and here, control, keep pressing control. It happens, I will just zoom it a bit. And yeah, take it right here. So we press this, control, 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 and press continuously until this. So now we go to transitions and move. So now let's see what the output will be from beginning. This is a beginning side. Then it goes like this to this again. Then as you can see, this is how we can use morph over here. So like if you want to create a good and entertaining presentation, you can use the morph transition. So this was the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Meet you next time, guys. Bye.